Hello everyone, from today I am start a new blogging course totally free on YouTube. So if you want to learn about blogging A to Z and you want to learn how to do blogging without any investment and with a free website, stay with Simply Shamim 2.0 YouTube channel because I share a blogging course and I share how to do blogging without any investment and with a free websites. This video will be first class or part 1 for blogging course. So never forget to subscribe my channel to get new video. Today I share how to create a free website on Blogger. So let's go. At first go on Chrome browser and select on Google's another product Blogger. After enter the Blogger website, you have to see like this interface. To create a new website totally free, click on create your blog. After click on create your blog, you can see your Google account are available here and you can sign up from your Google account. Then you can see like this interface. You have to keep your website title. Now I am copying my website title. My website title is best food and click on next. Then you have to select your website URL. Okay, I am select my website URL and you can see my website URL are available here and click on next. Then you have to give your website display name. I give my title as a display name. Then click on finish. After click on finish, you have to completely create a free website on Google. If you want to see your free website, click on view blog. After click on view blog, you can see your free website are ready. Now we have to customize or some important setting on this website. Today I share some important setting for a new website. Click on setting. After click on setting, you can see your website title option available here. You give here your website title and description option are here. You have to give a description in 500 words. I am copy my website description and push here. Okay, and I am click on save. Then scroll down for more settings. Okay, you can see many settings are available here. From here you can set how many posts will be show on your home page. Okay, scroll down and you can see meta text or enable search description option. Click on option this and again click copy the website description and save here. Okay, again scroll down and you can see crawlers and indexing option. Now I am enable custom robots header text. Okay, then you can see these three options are available here. Now I click on home page text and click on all, enable this option and enable this option and click on save. Then click on second option and enable this option and this. Click on save and now click on post and paste text. Again click on this and enable this. Okay, next class I share how to customize your website theme. So stay with web Simply Shamim 2.0 YouTube channel and subscribe my channel to get new update for blogging. Thanks for watching.